Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to fix your Gmail application is not opening problem. So let's begin our video. So first you need to open your Play Store, then go to search bar, type for Gmail. Now search it and open it, and you need to check out your Gmail application is updated or not. There you can see my Gmail application is updated. So don't worry, just you need to move for second step. So what is second step? You just need to open your phone settings, then you need to find out apps or apps management option. There you can see option apps. Just open it, then go to manage apps, and you need to find out Gmail. Here is Gmail. If you don't find here, there you can see this is Gmail. Just open it, and now you can see option on the bottom, clear data. Select it, and then you have a option clear cache. Just select it, then again select OK. That's it. Now you can open your Gmail, and your Gmail is not opening problem already solved. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.